Hello, children. How are you all? I hope you all are good and doing well at home. So, children, you all are most welcome to our online English class today. Okay, and as you can see on your screen, that today we are going to do this very exciting exercise from this book spelling power for class 2. Okay, so I hope you all have bought your books, and those who have not bought, please make sure that as soon as possible please buy your books from school stationery. Is that clear? Now in this book, children, this is a kind of worksheet book, okay, in which you will be able to do all the new exercises related to English language. Okay, now this book is very important to improve your English, so make sure, children, that you all have this book with you. Okay, so it's my request to you all, children, to take out your spelling power book and turn to page number 3. Okay, recalling book 1. Okay, now this is your book. As you can see on this page, the contents are written. Okay, in this you are given about the contents, that on what page you will be doing what exercise. Is that clear? And now recalling book 1 is the first part for this chapter. Okay, now in this, what you have to do, I will explain you this exercise in this book, and you all have to listen to it very carefully, and you all have to write these exercises very carefully in your textbooks only. In this book only you have to fill all the answers which I will give you. Okay, now I hope you all are ready, children. So let's get started with this exercise without delaying. Okay, please take out your spelling power book to page number 3 and let's get started. So our first part, okay, as you can see, first question, first part of this chapter is change the first letter to form a new word. Now through this exercise we will be able to form new words. We will understand how to form new words from one word. Okay, now change the first letter to form a new word. The first one is done for you. As you can see, first one is done for you, very easy. Here you have been given one word, that is van, van. Okay, and now in this word van, V is underlined. Okay, and why it is underlined? Because it is written that you have to change the first letter to form a new word. आपका जो भी first letter होगा in words में से, उनको आपको replace करके एक नया letter add करना है और new word बनाना है. Okay, so here it is given van, van. So what you have to do? You have to replace V with F. The words, the letters which are given in blue color, you have to use these words in place of first word. Is that clear? So van, van will become fan, fan. Why? Because we have skipped the word V, first letter V, and we have added F instead of V. Is that clear? So we have got the new word fan, fan, fan. Now coming to the next word, that is man, man. And here we have to add PL, okay, as the first letter. So we will edit the first letter, we will remove the first letter M, okay, and instead of M we will write PL. So how you will write? PLAN, plan. Is that clear? Now children, coming to the next word, that is mad, mad. So in this word, what you have to do, that again you have to replace the first letter M and you have to add B here. Okay, so the new word will be formed from B. Is that clear? So M will be removed and B will be added. So what will be the new word? You will write BAD, bat. Okay, so M will be removed and B will be added. So new word formed is BAD, bad. Now coming to the next word, that is RAT, rat. Okay, so in this word rat, you have to remove the letter R, and what you have to add, FL. Okay, so in this word R will be removed, letter R will be removed, and FL will be added. So the new word will be FLAT, flat. Is that clear? So I hope you all are getting this exercise, understanding this exercise very easily. It is very easy exercise, children. Now coming to the next word, that is mat, MAT, mat. Is that clear? So in this word, what you have to do, again you have to remove the letter M and you have to add F. Okay, so mat will become fat because we will remove M and we will add F. So FAT, fat. Is that clear, children? Now coming to the next word, POUR, pour. Now what is the meaning of the word pour, children? मतलब आप जब किसी भी लिक्विड चीज को एक ग्लास में या किसी भी अलग एक यूटेंसिल में डालते हो तो दैट इज नोन एज पोर, पोरिंग द वाटर. ओके, या पोरिंग द मिल्क इन अ ग्लास. ओके, सो द वर्ड pour, this is the word pour, and what you will do, you will remove the letter P from here and you will add S to it. Okay, so this will become SOUR, sour. Okay, SOUR, sour. Now what is the meaning of the word sour, children? Sour means khatta. Okay, so it is a kind of taste. SOUR, sour. Now coming to the next word, that is team, TEAM, team. And again what you have to do, you have to remove the letter T and you have to add a new letter, that is B. So it will become beam, BEAM, beam. Is that clear? So the new word formed is beam. Now coming to the next side, the next word is tear, TEAR, tear. Okay, now what you have to do, again you have to replace the letter T and you have to add D. Okay, so the new word will be DEAR, dear. Is that clear? Now coming to the next word, that is good, and GOOD, good, will in this word G will be removed and F will be added, so good will become food. New word formed is FOOD, food. Is that clear, children? I hope you all are getting this exercise very easily. Now coming to the next word, goat, GOAT, goat. Now in this word also you have to remove the first letter G and you have to add C, and now the new word formed will be COAT, coat. Now goat will become coat. Okay, now mean, 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 and mean, in the word mean you will remove M and you will add B, so the new word formed will be BEAN, bean. Is that clear, children? Are you all getting my point? Now I hope you all have understood this exercise very clearly. Now next word, GAIN, gain. Okay, and you have to remove G and you have to add CH to this word, so gain will become CHAIN, chain. Okay, we have removed G and we have added CH to this word. Now coming to the next word, that is tail, TAIL, tail. Now again T will be removed and S will be added, so tail instead of tail, the new word will be sail, SAIL, sail. Is that clear, children? Now coming to the last word, that is book, BOOK, book. So in the word book, B will be removed and C will be added in place of B, so the word will be cook, COOK, cook. Is that clear, children? So I hope you all have understood this exercise very clearly, children. And once again I am repeating this exercise. In this exercise, what you have to do is that you have to remove the first letter and you have to add the new letters which are given in this blue color, and you have to form a new word. Okay, so basically this exercise is based on formation of words. Is that clear? Now van will become fan because we have removed V and we have added F. Okay, man will become plan because M is removed and PL is added to this word. Mad will become bad because B is added instead of M. Rat will become flat because FL is added instead of R, in place of R. And mat will become fat because F is added in place of M. Then poor is in the word poor, S is added in place of P, so the new word formed is sore. Then next word team will become beam because B is added to the letter T. Instead of T, B is added here, so this will become beam. Next is tear. Tear will, in this word T will be removed and D will be added, so after adding D, the word will become deer. Okay, then good, word is good, and instead of G we will add F, so the word will become food. Goat, G will be removed, C will be added, word will become coat. Mean, M will be removed, B will be added, and the new word will be bean. G will be removed from the word gain and CH will be added, so the word will become chain. And tail will, from the word tail, T will be removed and S will be added, so the new word will become sail. And in the last, in the word book, B will be removed and C will be added, so the new word will be cook. Is that clear, children? So in this video I am going to give you only this part, and in my next video, children, you will be getting second part, second question of this exercise. Is that clear? So before starting with the next video, children, I want you all to listen to this video very carefully and complete this exercise in your books neatly and nicely. Okay, and then watch my next video for the next exercise. Okay, children?